Yeah, see, it's like nobody coming from over there. It's all shut down. It's all like shut down and shit, so. That's a good. His shit is fast, I can tell you. I can hear it. How fucking fast it is. Woo! I'm just glad it's that there's not a lot of traffic right now. So, I wonder if they're doing if they do safety, if that's not the MSF course, that's something else. I forgot what they're doing over there. Feels good just to cruise too, man. Accidentally try to do a little clutch. Dude's going way too fucking fast. Dude's a fucking idiot. What an idiot. Careful up here at this major intersection. at that light. They will run that shit. What was that? It's like somebody lost a bear? Block it. I saw it coming. Still got me. Got hit by a big ass bug. That shit hurt. In the t-shirt today. Baby. Yeah, this is like the perfect time today, man. I was gonna go out earlier today. It was really, I mean, it wasn't super hot, but I don't know. It was hot. I wasn't ready to go out right away, so I didn't. But I definitely wanted to get out tonight. My wife, they're still out of town. They're coming back from College Station tonight. Big soccer tournament for one of my kids, so we split up. They went, I stayed, the other two. So they should be on their way back pretty soon. It's gonna take me like 3 hours though, so they'll be back later tonight. So I just wanted to get out tonight. That final drive is still fast, man. Oh my gosh. Got even better with the flash. To the boys as soon as I get high. Woo! Oh, it's beautiful today, baby. I was gonna get gas, but I don't really need it. Did a short little loop. Now, the boys went out last night, man, and you know, I used my better judgment and just did not go. I mean, they were out for a fucking long ass time too. I think they started going like around 9 o'clock, last minute, like, hey, we're gonna go do this. Everybody meet up. Oh, I almost hit those birds. Oh shit. I almost hit those birds. I had to slow down, like, please don't hit them. All praises to the Most High. But yeah, man. Woo! They went out last night, man. They had some fun, man. I'll tell you what. They was cutting up late. They was cutting up late. I was like, damn. And to me, you know, that's nice. I'd like to do that every once in a while. I can't do it every night, obviously. I got responsibilities and shit. But still love using the clutch.